Alright guys, since it's Halloween, I decided to get a mask. Finally came. I got it from Amazon. If you want it, I'll put the link down below. And yeah guys, I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks now. I didn't know it was gonna be an unboxing. So here's a little clip of my mask right now. I'm not gonna show you it. First I'm gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna show you a preview of it from the video where I got it from. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, I got Mr. Scissors here. As you can see, my brothers are here just watching it. Here they are, freaking kids, crazy kids. So, see this unboxing here. So cool. Shut up. Alright.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh shoot.
Can you see?
Oh my god. It's
Can I
in
see?
there, guys.
Oh my god.
Chill, move.
Oh my god, guys.
So,
Can you see it? Yeah.
look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen.
I don't see anything.
So here it is, the Digital Duds mask. Looks freaking awesome, if you tell me. Here's some box here, and yeah. Paper
Let me
here.
go bring my phone.
You know what? No one cares. So get a shut up. So yeah, probably no. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it feels so cool.
Yeah, there isn't. Oh,
Look at that! Look at that!
Try it on.
Crazy Eye Clown animated mask. So as you can see, right there, you slip your phone in from right here, and like right here, and like you put your phone in and stuff like that.
Put it on.
So here's the nose. So I'm gonna put it on right now. Here it is when it's on. I can see myself.
I'm gonna go bring.
So now I'm gonna show you how it actually works with this. As you can see, it shows our eye right there, and I'll show you where's the eye. It didn't came in the package because you have to use your phone if you want the eye. It's right there. See? So yeah, I'll show you how it works right now. Okay, so you're just gonna grab your phone, iPod, or stuff like that, and then you're gonna go to the app. That's called Digital Duds. And then you're gonna go to the masks, which are right here. I could click on that right now. And then you go and find your mask, which is mine's right there. And there's my mask. And I'm gonna click to play animation. As you can see, the eye is moving. And that's where you get the eye from. So now I'm gonna put the eye in there. So I'll move the eye real fast. I'll make it a bit bigger. Oh, crap. You can put it with sound or not. Like that. And it won't fall off. And there you go.
Sorry.
So there's the Digital Duds mask. As you can see, the little Well, I have to like fix it very well. You can't see it, but like in the edge over here, like you can see the foam kind of. So I'll try to fix that. And then right there, like that little thing that pops up. So when I click it, you can see a little thing that I could put it brighter. I can move it around. I can move it around the eyeball. I could lock the eyeball in place. There, it's locked in. So now I can't move it, and now I have to click it and unlock it to move it again. See? Or I could put the sensitivity low, bright, like that. And there you go. This is the Digital Duds mask. It's pretty awesome. I got it off of Amazon. You could get this too. I'll put the link down below. So yeah, guys, this has been Crazy Kids, and this is our first unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So peace.
So the concept is simple. You just download the free app called Digital Duds onto any Apple or Android mobile device, and then you play the animation for your mask. Then you slide your mobile device into the secure pocket on the front of the mask, and with only 4 seconds of prep, you look exactly this awesome.